and that is the Ford Ranger. If you want to read the full review, go to carsguide.com. Oh, you're selling your car and you're preparing for an inspection. You want to know how to prepare. Okay, all right, just hang on. I just got to finish this bit. .au. Right, okay. Now there's some steps to remember when preparing your car for an inspection and preparing yourself. All right, let's go. Okay, the first step when preparing your car for an inspection, it's not even a step, it's just common sense. Clean the car out, okay? And that means taking everything out, like including baby seats. Nobody wants to see your baby seat, okay? Take all the rubbish out. Bottles, gross, pants, lightsabers, bags, take it all out. Oh my God, a nappy. Imagine that they're gonna give you the money and they're gonna drive away in the car today, okay? Because they might actually just do that. So take everything out. You need to vacuum it, wash it, clean it. I've said it already, but I can't say it enough. Now that your car is clean, you need to think about where you are going to actually hold the inspection. Now do it somewhere where you feel comfortable. If that means at home, in your driveway, that's the right place to do it. You might want to hold it at a friend's place with your friend there, or have a family member with you if you're feeling a bit uncomfortable of doing it on your own. You could do it in a car park like this, near an oval. I've done it everywhere, literally everywhere. I've done it in train station car parks. I've done it at the airport. That was spooky. I don't recommend that. Yes, but do it somewhere on your turf, okay? They may suggest somewhere, but the ball's in your court. The car is your car, so do it somewhere where you feel comfortable. Step 2. Okay, the next step, prepare some selling points. Talk about features you really like about the car. I love the quilted leather seats. I love the side step. It helps me getting up here. I love the proximity unlocking. You just touch it and it locks automatically for you. Other things, I like how you can just open the window by sliding it down if you lock your keys in. Actually, don't mention that one. Yes, best keep that to yourself. The next step, be prepared for them to negotiate on price. That's right. Sometimes they do it through messaging online. Other people like to do it in person. They might get there and they might throw a number at you. What are you gonna do? You're gonna watch my video. That's what you're gonna do. I made a whole video on negotiating. What if they offer you cold, hard cash? Delicious. And in the final step in preparing yourself for an inspection and your car is knowing how to transfer the vehicle's registration details in your state. Now in New South Wales, for example, on the back of the notice of registration, there's a notice of disposal. The seller fills that in, and there's a transfer of registration. The buyer takes that and fills that in. And there you have it, how to prepare for an inspection. Now it's over. Good luck. Hooroo. Let me know how it goes, all right? That's how you do it. That's how you prepare for an inspection.